At TRJ Engineering, we're a mid-sized manufacturer located in Melbourne, Victoria. We provide general engineering services and fabrication to clients in both the public and private sectors. We've been operating in Melbourne since 1974. We specialise in mild steel, stainless steel and aluminium fabrication. We're certified to the highest ISO standards for quality, safety and environmental care, and we deliver free all over Metro Melbourne. We fabricate for 4 main applications: street furniture, transport chassis, earth moving protection and general steel fabrication. The best way to think of TRJ as compared to most manufacturers is that we don't have a set range. Everything we make is custom and client specific. Our value proposition is that we can take any project from start to finish, from a concept to a prototype to a production run. Once we've won a project, the first step is design and shop drawing. The goal here is to take concept drawings, architectural drawings, the sketch, photos, whatever we have from the client, and convert it into a shop drawing that we can manufacture from. Our engineering team spend the majority of their day on CAD programs, setting jobs up for the first stage of fabrication. And once shop drawings are ready to go, we're through to the factory where the fabrication takes place. The first step for any part or assembly is often cutting the metal to the lengths and shapes needed. For sheet metal, we'll use either our flatbed laser cutter, which can cut any 2-dimensional design, or the guillotine to make linear cuts in sheet metal. For bars, tubes, angle, RHS or SHS, a bandsaw or brobosaw is more effective. The next operation in steel fabrication is often the press shop. We use heavy-duty industrial hydraulic brake presses to create linear bends or folds in sheet metal. All our brake press tooling is custom made in-house to achieve specific radius bends. If the parts in an assembly require threads, screws or bolts, the next step in the operation will often be with our fitters and turners in the machine shop. With the use of CNC aids, this operation includes turning, milling, drilling, tapping and countersinking holes. Welding is the process of joining 2 pieces of metal together and can be done manually by robot or CNC welding machines. The basic premise is that the heat from the welding gun softens the metals, and upon returning to room temperature, you're left with a firm join. MIG welding is generally more effective for thicker and heavy-duty welds, while TIG welding is generally more effective for finer applications and joining thinner pieces of metal. We then move to deburring, grinding, linishing and polishing. This is the final process of removing unwanted excess metal from a surface using grinding or belt sanding techniques. This creates a smooth final finish and the parts are ready for delivery. At TRJ Engineering, we've been fabricating truck chassis from rails, A-frames, B-doubles and quads for over 2 decades, and TRJ fabricated trucks are on roads Australia-wide. We've recently expanded our services to woodwork and have a dedicated on-site carpentry team who help fabricate our custom outdoor furniture. For help with your next project, feel free to get in touch via our website, phone or email. Thanks very much for watching.